Alright, it's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. And it's Friday live request once again. We in the house. We at the end of the stream, but we're going strong. It's like the donation level this week has been off the chain. I appreciate all the people that have come down and participated once again. If we do not get to your dono today, when it's going to be on the list with my trusty Patreons on Wednesdays, you're going to be in very good company. And then when we shuffle it up, a lot of times it's like, oh, look, we shuffled up some dues. I owe this. You know what I mean? I owe this. And I also prioritize y'all for, I guess, the Moseefus pick. Moseefus pick is mine. I ain't giving it up. I ain't going to lie to you. I ain't going to lie to you. All right, my man Ricky, man, he laid this down before the stream even started. So let's react to King ISO dog tags. Lay down a nice $10. I appreciate you, bro. Check this one out, man. This is the second King ISO of the day. The second Ricky of the day. That's dope. Ricky, I think, donated 3. So one of his joints is going to go on the Patreon list. He needed to just come down to Patreon land. All right, check this out. Remember, one's in the chat after this. Once again, you got to put him on the curve. Has a purpose with this song. He's talking to victims of PTSD, people, soldiers, that come home. PTSD is an issue within that community, and this is probably something that they listen to and they put this shit in their ears and make them feel better. I gotta be more sensitive to things like that, not just be like, oh, he ain't got no bars. You know what I mean? It's not about that. It's not about that. Talking to myself, man in the mirror, man in the mirror. Was he in the military himself? Dang, another warning? Oh, annoying, man. Don't do it. You got more overtime to get. Okay, that beat drop is nice. Practice. Yo, homie that left that comment was super on point, man. When he does topics, this is where his pocket is. That's where his pocket is. Shout out to King ISO, man. Newfound respect. And we ain't getting none of Eugene's joints. Ooh, a beat. And don't do metaphors, ISO. Leave the metaphors alone. What? What? Season bars. It's nice. That's dope. All right, Ricky. I'm glad you do that. I'll be forgetting. You know what? I really like when he does the topical stuff. I'll give that a 8, man. I'll give that an 8. It's the same chorus again, just more serious this time. More bass. Alright, I feel you. That was cool. Alright, get ready to put ones in the chat for them overtime. Shout out Ricky, man. King ISO dog tags. King ISO's he's turning the corner on this channel, man. He's turning the corner on this channel. He deserves some respect. Clap it up. That's in that one.